Bit of a later start this morning. Leaving St Arnaud, we slept until 7. It's now after 8. We've got some food, more food. And packs are pretty heavy as we've got 8 days worth of supplies because we're going into the Richmonds, which is a bit daunting, but we'll see how we go. We've got to get through it. Once we get to Richmonds, we're only through the Richmonds, we're only 3 or 4 days from finishing the South Island. So last big push, and a bit of weight and a bit of climbing and a bit of nerves. So here we go. And into the Richmonds we go. Just going through the tops of the first bit of the Richmonds. Stuff's really different to what we've seen bushwise. Trees are stunted across the top. There's lots of moss on the ground, so I guess it gets pretty beat up over winter. Day 54, first full day in the Richmonds. We had a 4 hut last night. Going to Hunter's Hut tonight. A couple of small climbs, and then bed. We just walked up this riverbed, rock hopping where we can, chasing these orange poles, and then just up ahead of Ilky is the trail where we get out of the riverbed and we climb out. Lunchtime at Potter's Creek Hut. Just over there you can see blue scree kind of stuff that everyone talks about in the Richmonds. There's our hut. Yeah. Day 55, first big climb of the Richmonds, and we're going up there somewhere. Has the TA got news for us? Markers go straight up that line. We've been all protected in this little bit of forest, and now we're about to exit into the weather. Now the phrase or sentence, "I see a hut," is very popular between Ilky and I. So, at the end of each day when we can see a hut, you can definitely see that hut. Just a quick one stop here at Top Wairala. We're going to push on to mid. We've got half a day. The weather's going to be the same tomorrow, so we might as well push today and make the most of it. Just come down there. River's got a little bit more water in it than normal. Some waterfalls, plenty of swimming spots. Not in our plans today. We're just going to make miles. River, there's a trail, there's a couple of perfect waterfalls, and then we'll keep going off. Day 56, a little bit down again, and see how we go. The time hut for lunch, and then we're going to Mount Rintoul hut, which is at the bottom of the biggest climb of this part of the trip, so we'll get to there and set us up tomorrow. In the hope that the weather is better tomorrow, otherwise it will stay. Here we are at Tarn Hut with its lovely supply of firewood, which Elkie and I are going to transport some through to Mount Rintoul hut. Fingers crossed there's a fire there, because she's a little bit chilly still. Rintoul Alpine Trail with sweeping views of the abyss. And we got goats.